Good morning! Guess what? It snowed again. The beginning of a blizzard, they say. Terrible weather. And I'm only in the sweatshirt right now. It's not too cold, but it is blowing. So here's what we got going. It snowed about 2 inches probably in places. So I just want to get this off of here. It's kind of a wet snow. And it's not supposed to snow tomorrow. But then from Tuesday, today's Monday, from Tuesday till early Thursday, we're in about like 10 to 20 inches of snow. They say possibly could be coming this way, and roughly 30 to 40 mile per hour winds with like way below temperatures and everything else. So it is not going to look very pretty. So I'll get some of this off so I don't have too much to do in the future. I got it all cleaned up. It is getting windy out for sure. I took it about 5 feet before the end of the road there. So when he comes through and plows, Uncle Tony, he'll get the rest of this and then it'll be all gone. So let's go on and get the next thing done before the blizzard starts. Whoa! Oh, that's a little slippery. It's a little slippery. What are you doing? Well, I didn't even want to leak today, so that's great. Must have fixed it. Burning pretty clean too back here. No soot on the dirt, on the snow I mean. No soot coming out. Beautiful. Gotta let it warm up a little bit. Had the bills to get some gas, and probably want to put a half a tank in, just enough so I can get to church with the snowblower.
Lolly, want some more nuts?
What are you eating? Almonds?
Yes, I think those are.
Fuzzy Wuzzy. How's your almonds? How's your almonds? How's your almonds?
You want more? I chew these quite cheap.
Well, it's the calm before the storm right now. Just a few little light flakes out there, but it is pretty calm out. So they're predicting even more snow now, so it could almost get like 15 to 20 inches by the time the 2 days is done. Schools and businesses are already closing and nothing's even started yet. That's what we've been preparing for all season. I got about 10 gallons of gas for the generator. I got some batteries charged up so I can put on the power inverter if I need to. Generators fired up, running, tested, snowboards are ready to go. Well, it's the next day from shoveling snow at church. We got a little bit of snow last night. They're supposed to start snowing today, but that hasn't started yet. It's already 3 in the afternoon. But it's getting to be very windy out. Right about now, it's about 20-mile-per-hour winds happening. I don't know if you can see the snow blowing across the road or not. But it is getting windy. Just got all my packages dropped off at the post office, and it's just starting to snow now. So got all my shipping done in case the storm is big. I won't have to ship for 3 business days. That's what I got my policy on. So I got that all done now. So that's good. So the snow has really not even started yet, but the wind has picked up and it's about 19 degrees out, but it's really blowing out. So even like the gas stations around here, they're closing at 6 to get the people home safely. Dairy Queen is still open. I'm in line for Dairy Queen right now, but other places are closing, so we'll see what happens in the future here. Well, we got some snow. It is 5 degrees out with a 16-mile-per-hour wind, but the snow is just blowing around, basically. You can see there's snow on the deck, but there's some that doesn't have any. Good morning. We're going to bed? Well, we'll see what the storm turns out to be. So here's the blizzard that came in. Got a nice sized drift right there. Now all the ice is under the snow. Driveway is drifted. There's a big drift here. I'm gonna walk through this. Gotta get to my car. So I'm on the way to work. Go move snow. Hopefully the old car will get through the snow and out the driveway. It's windy out. It took a little bit of doing to get out of the driveway. Had to back up, go forward, back up, go forward. But I got out through the drifts. Now we just gotta make it down the drifted road. Come on, baby. You can make it. There's like one set of tracks that's been through here so far. Well, here's what the blizzard turned out to be. Some places got 15, 20 inches of snow. Really have no idea what we got because it was blowing so much. Some places have 3-foot drifts. Some places have no snow. But we did get snow, so seems like we got more out here than we did in town. But there's some big drifts here. It was kind of hard to get through with the car. I had to go work that day, but got through. Like, see, there's a drift there I blew with the little snowboard that you'll see after this, I guess. Yeah, that's how it goes. Dad kind of plowed out just enough to get in, fair till the wind stopped. Uncle Dean's on vacation, so Trevor went and plowed that out, so they plowed out the front driveway a little better this morning, Trevor did. But, Lolly likes the snow. She doesn't like the snowplow driver, do you? You don't like the snowplow truck driver? She barks at him, gets all upset at him. Well, that's the big storm right there.